Welcome to the art and skill of audiobook narration. If voicing a 30-second spot is like running a 50-yard dash, and a 60-second spot is like running a 100-yard dash, narrating an audiobook is more like running a 26K marathon. Audiobooks are the ultimate in long-form narration, but it takes specialized skills to pull it off. Do you have what it takes to be a pro audiobook narrator? How can you break into the audiobook industry? Learn what voice acting skills every pro narrator needs. I have produced hundreds of audiobooks for publishers like Thomas Nelson, Zondervan Publishing, Mission Audio, Harper, Guidepost Magazine, Pacific Press, Topics Entertainment, Worthy Publishing, Baby Looney Tunes, and VeggieTales. The audiobook industry has grown to become a $4 billion industry. I'll direct you through audiobook passages and reveal many of the skills that you'll need to be competitive in this field of audiobook narration. Join me for this special Saturday to learn all about the audiobook industry and what you will need to learn to become a super storyteller.